this one, guys, there's another howler that is full of the ditch. It's very slippery and it's so windy, guys. This is already blizzard. Look at that one. Oh, wow. This is the life here along the Dalton Road, especially during this moment in time. It's very cold, it's windy. Look at this one, guys. There is a strong wind today, and you know, we are empty right now and we are coming back to the shop in Fairbanks. So this is along the Dalton Hall Road and we are still in the Dead Horse, and it's very windy. And look at that one, guys. It's very windy and no need for us to stop, because you know, once you stop, look at that one. Oh my. Okay, keep tuning in, guys.
What happens when you slide backward.
Look at this one, guys. This is how we encounter the blizzard. It's about 40 mph of wind, and we have no chance to stop anywhere but to continue our trip. Just watch out.
So that's happening. That means he can't leave. Jason Butterell's with us. That means he can't leave Russia, right? Technically, but like it seems kind of symbolic to me, right?
Our truck is frozen, guys. So it's very windy. And now it's about 1 o'clock at noontime, and look at the weather, look at the sunlight there. So by 3 o'clock it's completely no more sun again, so continue to watch. So look at this one, guys. A lot of accident happened because of the blizzard, because of the snowstorm, because of the road is very slippery, and sometimes it's out of control. That is what happened to them. So you need to be very careful in order for you not to park in a wrong spot. Look at that one, slip, fall off on the ditch. It's blowing a lot here, and look at that one, it's oversized. Yeah, there's Canadian guy here. We are, I think it's 64 miles or 63 miles away from the Dead Horse. This is the Canada guy that is struggling here. Look at this one. Even his companion cannot help. There, see. Another burnout here. And we've been together yesterday. I think and for sure before the article they are we've been together.
Yeah, because they were cleaning it.
Yeah. And we're coming back
Where do you want me?
Wherever the polish is good.
So this is our truck right now. How muddy. Okay. Look at the mud here, guys. Okay, how muddy. It's very muddy. It's color mud. Look at that one. Okay. So it's very heavy. No. See, no more signal light. Look at that one. Hey. See? Very muddy, guys. Look at that. Okay, so this is our truck. Let's express it in this one. Oh, landing transport. Because they are almost the same with the color of the truck. Maybe this one is my right. Oh, wow.
Hey, you're right.
We're dressing everything up there on a pass for you, so it should be really good.
Alright, a little bit of ground blow. Nothing behind me, just kind of moving across down here and there. Not 940.
This one is big dreams.
Alright, well, that'll keep the mosquitoes away.
Yeah, so almost no time here again. Have a good ride.
Alright, have a good trip to the house. Thank you, guys.
Oh, Miller Farm. Hi, Miller Farm.